Red Pocket Mobile offers affordable prepaid plans on major networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Knowing how to check your balance helps manage minutes, data, and plan expiration. This overview covers the methods available as of September 2025: the mobile app, USSD codes, and online portal. Red Pocket operates on Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile networks, providing flexible prepaid options. Checking your balance is crucial to manage minutes, data, and expiration dates effectively. Methods include the Red Pocket mobile app, USSD codes, and online portal for real-time access. Each method provides real-time balance info to avoid interruptions and maximize your plan. Let's explore each method in detail. First, the Red Pocket mobile app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your phone number and PIN. The app provides a visual breakdown of your minutes, data, and expiration date, with options to enable push notifications for low balances. Second, USSD codes. These short codes allow quick balance checks without internet access. Dial 777 for Verizon T-Mobile plans or 888 for AT&T plans. You'll receive an SMS reply with your balance details. Finally, the online portal. Visit redpocket.com or myredpocket.com. Log in with your credentials and view your account summary, including balance information. Choose the method that best suits your needs and stay informed about your Red Pocket usage.